Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the floor stand. And inside we will see this is the main frame. So wrapped around the one side were the cross sections for mounting across underneath for the feet or the caster wheels if you ordered the wheels. Now we did, they're in that other box, so I'm going to add those in a little bit. So the other part inside the box is a bag full of the mounting bolts, nuts, the fixed feet, and smaller nuts and bolts, and then the end caps that go in here to plug the floor stand up. We'll use those in a little bit. So the first thing we have to do, turn this upside down, and we're going to mount these cross sections in place like this. They have a slot in the middle that lines up with the two bolt holes here, and inside the bag are the larger bolts and nuts. Okay, so I have a 3/4 inch wrench and socket. I'm just going to hold the one on and just tighten the other one down. So now these two cross members are in, we can go ahead and get our casters, and there's a special tool that comes with them that fits onto the nut around the top, and we can start screwing those in. So now the other thing is there are two types of wheel, one with a brake on it and one which is a free runner. So make sure that when you're putting these on, you get them the right way around. Okay, so once all the four wheels are on, then we can go ahead and turn this upside down, or the right way up. The last part of the floor stand assembly is fixing the top plates that go to secure the printer underneath the printer to keep it secure. So these are handed, as you can see, so make sure you get them the right way around. The holes are offset, so basically they go like that. So one on here, and then one on here, and then in the bag here there is the smaller bag of screws, nuts and bolts rather. So we'll go ahead and mount this on. Now we're ready to get the printer and mount that on the top. Okay, now that that's on there, there are some longer bolts that go through the holes into the rubber feet on the bottom, and then they do all four corners. I'll show you how to do that in a minute, but the very last part is to put in the rubber bungs. So there we have it, there's the floor stand assembled and the printer put on there.